information technology hub in Central Visayas. It's now a highly urbanized metropolitan area that serves as a center of growth in the Visayas, thus attracting a lot of migrants from neighboring municipalities and surrounding islands. In spite of this, many Cebuanos, particularly the youth, find themselves leaving their beloved city.
Mularga ko kay gipetisyonan ko sa akong mami.
Dili ko maglarga kay naa ang mga trabaho dire.
Mularga ko kay para makabot na akong pangandoy, then makasupport ko sa akong pamilya.
Di ko mulargas gawas kay naaman dagi akong kalipay, then makapangita ka mo sa kong way nga makuwagta ko dagi kaysa dito gani nga kinahanglan jud ay mulayo ko sa lugar nga akong gidak-an.
Ganahan ko makakita sa beauty sa world ba. Ganahan ko mo travel.
Di ko mularga kay mingawan ko sa akong uyab, sa akong family, sa akong friends, and ang tinuod na lingaw nasa Pilipinas wa sa abroad.
Romel Paras and Shane Funcion are two young Cebuanos facing migration concerns. One wants to go, the other wants to stay. Romel is a fourth-year computer science student of the University of the Philippines Cebu College, and he is vying for summa cum laude distinction.
In terms of work opportunities, I think the kind of jobs that we have here have a lot of similarities, like software development, technical support. The avenue for self-improvement is limited. The market is very much limited. Compensation-wise, there's a mismatch between the kind of job that you're doing and the wage that is being given unto you. I think if luck would have it, you'd own your own software development company, computer business. You're not so lucky, you'd end up as an encoder or an attendant to an internet cafe.
But his interest in computers resulted into an unexpected twist.
Back in high school, I posted my mother's profile in Yahoo. I stated there her hobbies, cooking, doing chores around the house, tending after the garden, and those stuff that mothers love to do. There were replies to her profile. The chemistry between my mother and my stepfather, things started when they chatted, and when they were not chatting, they would miss her, and my mother would look forward to chatting with him. Perhaps my main intention was to find my mother someone who would take care of her when she's older. I mean, it's not that I'm not going to be with her, but she's been separated from my father for more than 10 years now. I think I've been missing having a father. It's been a while since I had the company of someone you'd look up to, aside from your grandparents or your relatives, like a father figure.
2006, his stepfather petitioned Romel and his mother for a visa. Romel's mother entered the United States through non-immigrant classification with a fiancé visa. And on April 2008, she got married and petitioned for a status adjustment from non-immigrant to immigrant legal permanent resident. Currently, she's on a conditional status.
Itong mga gipang petisyonan sa ilahang mga paryente, ginikanan, or mga igsuon, gipetisyonan sa mga employers nga nahatagan og immigrant visas, and then mga spouses and other partners of foreign nationals.
As for Romel's case, he has K2 visa, a visa for children below 21 years old. It was derived from his mother's application, which he received just this year.
I flew into the United States via South Korea last April 24 this year, and 2 months after, June 26, I was back here, or a week late for my classes, and I'm bound to return October 23. Don't know yet if I'd be able to come back. It has to depend on the decision or on the rules of the immigration service. Other reasons, ganahan ko na migrate. I have my family there. I have some friends and relatives there. I think that adventurous part in my personality would want to explore a new world, a brand new outlook, meet other people. Also, perhaps to travel.